And we actually built a virtual factory in the factory in the virtual world, in the VR virtual reality. And assembly can be done in the virtual world. And you see the PSU logo over there. So this is a car assembly line. And that's the chassis. And yeah, now you can, you create a PSU car, and the student just use the paint and to paint the PSU over there. And so this is a video created in our group with in collaboration with Dr. Eklund and Dr. Zhao. And Dr. Zhao is from University of Calgary, computer science. And Dr. Eklund now is in the University of Louisville, and he was in Penn State, and we worked together on this project. And even now we are working together. And also my former PhD student, Dr. Haidong Kim, and Ray Zhu. Ray Zhu now is an assistant professor at OU, University of Oklahoma, and Haidong is in Philadelphia Children's Hospital. And